Why does your scanner show the P2288 engine code? What does it mean? P2288 is a diagnostic trouble code for injector control pressure too high. This engine code indicates that the injector control pressure is too high. This is a severe trouble code that can lead to severe engine damage if not repaired immediately. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low oil level or oil system issues. Faulty oil pressure regulator. Faulty ICP sensor or wiring. High-pressure oil pump failure. Fuel system issues. Malfunctioning powertrain control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Land Rover and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.